Welcome to another how to build video with Mr. Appleby Productions, and today I'm going to be showing
Sort of a revolving room.
Yeah, the walls move pretty much. So I built a structure again.
Here's one I made earlier.
Pretty much. So it's just a random design. So when you go inside, I've just made a little tunnel so I can go under all the redstone. It's just a little pattern like that. The floor and ceiling don't move though, because I don't think that would work very well. So I'm just going to show you how it works, and then I'll do like a couple of layers so they can move as well around in the circle.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much lots of redstone repeaters and stuff, and then pistons to push along some of the walls. So each corner you leave blank, so there's nothing there, or there, but on one corner there has to be something. So on the first corner you have to have part of the wall, just so it pushes one along and that can push the other, and it continues as a cycle. So I'll quickly press the button and it should work. There we go. So it's spinning now, pushing each wall aside. So that'll just, it's an infinite loop really. So that should
Is it until you press the button again?
Yeah, but if you spam the button then it'll just mess up. The only problem with this is that the wall on that side disappears for some reason. Don't know why that happens yet. And then, I mean, because the pistons are moving the wall, light shines through, so it does flash a bit. So it's a bit weird.
Yeah. You see a chicken.
Yeah. But yeah, that's the wall moving around constantly. So that would be pretty cool in the base, if you ever wanted to do a moving wall.
Yeah, it'll be constant noise, but
yeah,
it'd be pretty
cool.
cool.
Of all the pistons moving. But yeah, so the redstone repeaters just repeat everything going around and around. Right, so I'll just do a smaller version of it, just to make it a bit easier.
Right.
So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and then it will continue like that. That's 4, 5. Oh, there we go. So it might not match up since there's one extra. Yeah, so it's 2 white instead of another black.
So at least you can see where the change is.
So and then after that you want to have pistons right next to that, pointing the right way hopefully. Like that. So that'll push that one along, which will push that one along. Once I put these in, like that. So you just have to make sure it's facing the right way, so it always pushes the same way around.
Otherwise it'll just
you don't
keep
want
lining
it,
up
yeah,
and going
you don't
off.
want it to push it back. So that's all the pistons put in. So then you want to have probably some stone linking all the way around. So the redstone has to be facing in the direction of the pistons. It can't be so it's turning a corner like that. It has to be facing that way. So I'll just take that away quickly. Get all the stone in first.
It's the same on this one, isn't it?
What?
Just same all the way around.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Just placing that in.
And there.
Yep. And then I'll just have it so the button goes there. And then what you want to do is have the redstone going all the way around like that. So I just place all the redstone in first and then put the repeaters in.
Yeah, not a bad idea.
Makes it easier really. So I know where everything goes. So all this redstone would probably have to be hidden if you had a secret base or anything like that.
Yeah. And then the button somewhere convenient.
Yeah.
Just
so
before you go in the room or something.
Next, for the redstone repeaters, you want it to go like that, and then you have to have it to the last point on the repeater. And then sometimes I have extra repeaters that don't go to the last point, just so it continues the redstone charge, or whatever it's called. Then it repeats like that, then a random like that, and then a delay again, and then random and delay, then a delay again, and that should repeat it enough so the whole thing works. So hopefully when I click the button it should work. Yep, it disappears the wall a bit again for some reason, probably just because there's so much going on over there. I can quickly fix that though. So you just take a redstone away. It might mess up the wall a bit depending on when the things stop. Yeah, that works better now that that's off.
So yeah, you can see that one double bit moving around, showing it's working.
Yep. So that just pushes along like that, and it's continuous since the redstone just keeps repeating itself.
So you could have different designs.
Yeah.
What we were saying about a Tetris one.
So you could go
Tetris
more
blocks are moving around
with it, but
colours.
the only limit to it is that pistons can only push a certain amount of blocks, so that's something like it can't push more than 12, I think.
Right, so
something
yeah,
like that.
just make sure your room's quite small for these things.
Yeah, unless you have pistons pulling it out one or in one. It gets complicated after the 12th though, so I just don't bother with it yet. Not until I understand redstone a bit more. But this is just some tests right now, and I'll hopefully do something with redstone in the future. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to Mr. Appleby Productions. See you in the next random video. Goodbye.